Mahabhav Swarupini, from head to fingertips. From fingertips to her eyes. She looks with Mahabhav Dristi. She hears with Mahabhav Shabda, her ears, her kan. She smells, she touches, her feet are walking. And it's just radiating. It's emanating from her. So this, and everything has come in contact with Radharani's beautiful hands, her eyes, her feet, and her heart. Sparshamani. Sparshamani. There's Chintamani and Sparshamani, do cheese, do item. So, Sparshamani, this is some element, some dhatu, that if you touch the Sparshamani to Loha, then the Loha becomes Sona. Iron becomes gold. So this Radharani, she is Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Gaurangi Radha, Mahabhav Gaurangi. So she is so much Sparshamani. So she's touching this land of Vrindavan and turning it all into gold. Turning it all into this golden effulgence of Madhurya Bhav. So we roll in the dust. So I'm saying this, that everything's come in contact with her and it's become like a Sparshamani. And there's that one bhajan in Hindi about 5 years ago, it's popular. I could say, in the verse it says Radharani's touching Sparsha, Lata Sparsha, Lata Sparsha, Pata Sparsha, Pallava Sparsha. She's touching the leaves, she's touching the creepers, she's touching the flower buds. And what are they doing? How are they responding? Braj mein lata patabi bole Shri Radha Radha. Braj mein lata patabi bole. You know? You know? Shri Radha Radha. This is a Hindi song. Very popular in all Braj Mandal 5 years ago. #1. Hit song.